there have been more than 8 orders against the government of the Republic of Kenya, indicating that the action they took against Miguna was unlawful and unconstitutional. They ought to restore the passports to him and allow him unrestricted entry into the country. Finally, there has been a judgment of the High Court. It was given by Justice Chacha Mwita on the 18th of December 2018, invalidating the entire action by the state. Fast forward in 2020, it must have been on the 6th of February. Justice Weldon Korir said Miguna's passport, which had been deposited in court pursuant to a court order, be given to him and he be allowed to enter. Remember, then he had purposed to come here on the 7th of February, but he wasn't given permission to board the plane from Germany to come here because of red alerts. Now, joining this effort is Dr. Willie Mutunga, who 2 weeks ago said he's going to stand for the rule of law. And the starting point will be to ensure that Miguna returns home. What have we done? We met up a week ago. Dr. John Khaminwa.
Oh, he was also there.
Dr. Willie Mutunga, Madam Valentine Khaminwa, Madam Esther Ngawa, and I. And we made a decision to go to court to remove the red alerts, so that Dr. Willie Mutunga and I could fly to Toronto and come back with Miguna. That case was in court yesterday. As usual, the state was playing delay tactics. They wanted more time to respond. They asked for 3 days. The judge said, this matter is very important, we will not give you 3 days, I'll give you 12 hours. So the matter will be heard today at 1.
I understand from this interview you'll just be rushing to court.
It is my expectation that the judge will give the matter a proper and fair hearing and give us the order to remove the red alerts. Dr. William Mutunga had already submitted his passport for visa stamping for Canada, but as we speak, Miguna has already left Canada. So it may not be possible for us to join him in Canada. What we propose to do, subject to the outcome of the court case at 1, is to fly to Germany and join Miguna from Germany on Sunday.
On this Sunday?
Fly to Paris, then from Paris to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport.
So you will be the 4 of you, the guys you met, or you will be with Willie Mutunga?
Dr. Willie Mutunga and I are the ones
who will be traveling. Plans.
Yes, if plans succeed.
Yes. And do you feel perhaps this round it will be different, that he will indeed come back, because there's a time he attempted and it was very, very hard for him? Do you think this round it will be a bit different?
You know, there are so many similarities amongst us. Miguna, Dr. Willie Mutunga, Dr. John Khaminwa, and myself. We don't expect an easy ride in life. In fact, if it was easy, we would not take it up the assignment. So it won't be easy, but we're gonna do it. I think in an interview with Ken Mijungu a few days ago, Miguna said access to justice, the rule of law and constitutionalism is an issue that he's prepared to pursue and achieve in his lifetime or even in his death. And the 4 of us, Miguna, Dr. Khaminwa, Dr. William Mutunga, and I, are of that category. When we make up our mind to pursue something, we pursue it. So we'll pursue it. We know there'll be a lot of resistance. We believe in the rule of law. We will pursue the return of Miguna within the confines of the law. And we're going to make it big. there are lamentations by high officers in government that these lawyers should allow us to do our work, what and what. We're not going to allow them to do their work. If their work entails violating the constitution, contravening the law, and abrogating the constitution. So we don't expect it to be easy, but we're prepared for it. We're not used to easy things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. And a few days ago, Miguna suggested,
Yes.
he said that he was feeling a bit insecure when he was in Canada, that perhaps he felt some car was following him around. And I'm sure you guys talk. Did he mention it to you?
Yes, he even posted it on Twitter.
On Twitter, yes.
He posted the photograph of the car. I have no reasons to doubt Miguna, because Miguna himself said, and many of us believe, the government wanted to kill him on the 2nd of February. It's only that they must have realized the implications of their actions, and for an entire 5 days they didn't know what to do with him.
Yes.
You understand? So the threat of death is not remote, it's proximate.
Yes.
It's real. Anybody who stands for firm positions like Miguna will of course face these threats. Yeah. But that does not mean that we will discourage Miguna from pursuing his rights. It does not mean that we will waver in doing that which is right, because what we're doing is lawful, it's constitutional. It must be done. If it won't be done by us, we will age with shame. Because what will we say when we are 70? What will be written about us when we are dead? We don't want a legacy that is dented, so we must do it at whatever cost, whatever the outcome. Not this time. The last time we engaged with the Canadian government was between 24th March and 28th March 2018, when Miguna came back here, but he wasn't permitted to enter. The government of Canada was very helpful because Miguna holds dual nationality.